Well, I don't know how this is going to come out. This is Bill from Casual Carolina Fishing and More, and today I'm out on the Jordan Lake. And somebody please remind me not to come back to Jordan Lake on a weekend, because there are skiers all over the place, and I feel like I'm out on the ocean with this kayak bouncing around. So yeah, we'll chalk it up for a lesson learned. I was supposed to come with a buddy today, and he got a headache and couldn't come. But I came on anyway, without him. So hopefully we'll catch a nice sized fish or two here. I'm using chicken livers, catfish. I'm actually in some really deep water right here. This is probably about 30-40 foot deep, I would say. And there's some fallen timber down underneath here. So I'm just kind of sitting about 5 foot deep under a bobber, hoping they'll come up, you know, to get it. They'll smell it and come up to get it from up under that brush. We'll see. I'm no expert, I'm still learning, but I heard this is supposed to be a good strategy around some fallen timber and stuff, and deeper water, with deep water nearby. So we'll see. Yeah, the skiers' boats just constantly coming by, rocking me around. So I'll be fighting the waves, the wind, and the fish today. Assuming we have any luck at all with the fish. Well folks, I turned the camera off because I just wasn't getting any bites at all. But I moved down here, and a little channel cat, finally, right down here. So it ain't much, but you know what? A fish is a fish is a fish. I didn't get skunked. Right? That's right. What the heck? Maybe they're starting to find my chicken liver now. Maybe they've got the scent. Let's see. See if anybody else is home. I'm wrapped up. There we go. Alright, there we go. I was wrapped up for a second, but I got him. That's a decent sized cat. Yeah. That's a decent channel cat. Ooh. Okay. Hold on there, fish. Ah, crap. I'm not left-handed. Oh. There we go. Can you see it? I think you can see it. That's much better than the first one, huh? Sorry about the rod getting in the way. Much better than the first one. Much better than the first one. Whew. Okay, keep him or not? Nah, we'll turn him loose today. Thank you, Mr. Channel Cat. Had fun, even though I had to wait all day for you. obviously, I'm on the road. I'm headed home. Those 2 catfish was all I ever caught. One was pretty small, probably not even a ½ pound. And then the other one, I don't know, I'm gonna guesstimate about 2½ pounds, 3 pounds maybe. Had a good time, even though I did have to go by myself. And even though I did only catch 2 fish. It was hot. Woo, it was hot. I am soaking wet. I'm ready to get home, get a shower, get cleaned up, relax for the rest of the night. I hope you all have a great night too. It's Bill signing off. We'll see you next time, wherever that happens to be, and whenever that happens to be.